This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is Bronx Park East. This is Bronx Park East. This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is East 180th Street. This is East 180th Street.
Attention everyone. If you have questions, the end line is located at the station.
Transfer is available. 5. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the center of the platform. This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is West Farm Square, East Tremont Avenue. This is West Farm Square, East Tremont Avenue.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
Transfer to the Q44 Select Bus Service. This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is 174th Street. This is 174th Street. This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is Freeman Street. This is Freeman Street.
As you exit, please be careful of the gap between the platform and the train.
This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is Simpson Street. This is Simpson Street. This is an accessible station. The elevator is at the rear of the platform. This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next stop is Intervale Avenue. This is Intervale Avenue. Transfer to the BX6 Select Bus Service. This is a Manhattan-bound 2 train. The next